What's up, nail crew? So you've used peel base, and now how do you get those dip powder mayonnaise off? I like to take the 180 side of the file and gently go around my nails, breaking up where the dip and the peel base meet each other. And that really seems to help when you're popping them off. This way you're not going to accidentally yank up some of your builder gel or clear, whatever you have going on underneath your dip mani. I like to go around the back of my cuticle as well to make sure that the dip is broken apart from the peel base in the back too. This makes sure that you're not going to accidentally pull up dip or builder gel right by your cuticles. And I go around on every single finger before I even start to try to take any of the dip off. Now the fun part starts. This is where you're going to take your cuticle nippers and go around your nail, figuring out where you broke up the dip and peel base layers enough that you can start popping it off with your cuticle nippers. Now, word of caution for those of you like me who are not exactly what we would call gentle, you do not want to go with the cuticle nippers and yank around your skin, because let me tell you, I've done that. It is not pleasant. You can cut yourself with these cuticle nippers. As we all know, they are very sharp. So be very, very careful when you're going around your finger. I know my video is sped up, so it looks like I'm going really fast. I'm actually not. I'm going really slow because, again, like I said, I have a tendency to do things a bit rough, and I have nicked myself quite a few times with those cuticle nippers. You'll notice that sometimes your dip pops off really easy. Other times you kind of have to peel it back. For me, I've realized that the peel base is clear, so I don't know if I'm exactly putting it on the same way I do every single time, even though that is my aim. So here you go. My dip mani is all popped off, and then I wash my hands, go in with my Northern Lights cuticle oil, give that a good rub in, and my lotion as well. So if anyone has any questions, drop them below. Thanks, nail crew.